Blessings, family, blessings. Welcome to another episode of Sunday Morning Markups. It's your boy, Mr. P. We are brought to you by Pimpin' Easy, the official affiliates of Sway Markets. Let's get into it, man. I'm super excited. Sway charts just dropped. If you do not know, now you know. We'll get into that later. Sway charts is an amazing platform. I just been testing it out, but I don't want to veer from the task here. We'll talk about that on the next call. But right now, we're just gonna get right into it. All right, so we've been running up the bag on ACAD. I definitely want to see it continue to drop. Excuse my charts. We basically was in our bag last week on Friday. As you see, we definitely hit our first target. I definitely want to see some type of continuation here to the downside. So I'm gonna just keep an eye on this. Um, it's super bullish right now. At the end of the day, we end up catching a buy right down here. I would love to see price come back down to this area, but I honestly don't think so. We want to see price close above here, but we'll watch the market and just take whatever it gives us. But ACAD is definitely super bullish. As you see, this monthly, it's been buying for the past 2 months. And I want to see it continue to buy up to this zone here. So we are looking for buys on ACAD, just waiting on some pullbacks. Maybe we can maximize our potential on the sales. All right, so it is a new week. It's coming to the end of the month. This is the last week of the month. This is actually NFP week, so be careful out there. All right, we want to see this. This is CAD JPY. I want to see price come back up here. It's definitely respecting this zone here. We definitely had a sell set up there. It came in our zone, and it's actually blue if you took this trade last week. But yeah, I just want to wait and see what happens. All these JPYs shot up. Definitely want to see some type of. All right, so we had a big drop here. Boom. We had a flag all the way back up, right? It never stopped, never respect. I was waiting on the retest. Hopefully, we get some respect in this area, and then maybe we can get a drop down. But I think the JPYs will drop this week. That's my opinion. That's just 4 hour. This hour closed bearish. It's a nice rejection here on this hour. So we can potentially get this drop here. That would be nice. Something like this. Take it back down here. That would be a nice little play. 10 pips for 50 to 100, 40 to 50 pips. That's a nice play. So keep an eye on this. That's NJ. I know we can get some quick pips out of this. Make sure you set your take profit. All right. I like that play right there. Ain't even gonna lie. Ain't even gonna lie. Then we can take that back down. Wow. Wait on the market to open, get a little pullback, pop an entry, and then continuation. So let's see what happens there. EA. Let's look at this daily. EA is still dropping it like it's hot, huh? Let's see what this weekly close like. Oh, yeah. Price never hit our alert just yet, so it definitely hit that. That was weeks ago. That was almost a month ago, which was a nice sale. If price doesn't break this structure, for sure, it's sale. It look like it may buy it from here, potentially, but I don't see a play on this just yet. Don't see a play on that just yet. Let's see, ECAD. ECAD, I want ECAD to fall out the sky for a little bit. I really do. We got a nice zone right here, right? This zone off this weekly kind of been. Last week, it was just not too much movement, but price did come to our zone and sell off nicely, as you can see. Um, we had a couple bags up here. This is our first entry for the bag. Boom. Smack for 100 pips. Then this was our second entry for the continuation. And we smack for another 50. So that's good plays right there. Definitely want to see this continue to the downside. That would be nice. So you see we got a head and shoulder here. See if we can get some continuation. All right, EG. I want EG to, oh, oh, ooh, Dr. Nice Drizzy. Been respecting this consolidation for a while. Looks like a break and retest if you zoom out and kind of, hey, here's a structure, support. Right now, resistance. Okay, so here's a break out of the box. I never really kind of retested, but it respected that drop, and now it's back to this level. So I would love to see price continue to the downside. Maybe we can take this back down here. All right, so looking for sales on EG. EJ sell zones up here. Um, Still waiting on that to play out. And just to show you what we're looking at, this is the bigger time frame. This is off the monthly. This is what we would like to see, family. We would like to see price come up here. Big swing opportunity zone here. Come up here, and then we're going to take this back down. We're going to ride it like a wave. All right, so be on the lookout for EJ sales. It's not in our zone yet. We do have our alert set, so stay locked in, family. All right, this is EN. I definitely want to see EN break this and continue to the upside. But we have to get some type of confirmation. Right now, its price is super bearish. It's been bearish all last week, which was a nice setup. Looked like we had a nice sell setup. Probably hit our stop loss. Oh, we had two sell setups. Okay, cool, 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 cool. All right, so it never really came back up here. We wanted to come up here, never came. So maybe we still wait on this play up top. Still wait on this play up top because price did drop here. I do believe that's some good pips off this daily time frame. If we caught that, it's about 200 pips. So we're gonna wait for the market open and see how EM react. But I would love to see price come up here first, and then we can catch the sell back down. Okay, GA. I do believe GA is gonna buy up. As you see, we had proper risk reward. Price has really been respecting this level. And this is something off the weekly, just as weekly order block. We're getting some rejection. Would love to see price continue to the bullish side. And the risk reward is there. So as you see, this risk reward is crazy. Right? So this is impeccable. So just understand that's very important when it comes to your trading, family. Make sure your proper risk to reward is up to par. Oh, we looking for sales on CAD. GBP CAD? Oh yeah. We looking for sales on CAD. Yeah, sir. We looking for sales on GBP CAD. Let me put sorry, on the dollar. We're looking for sales on GBP CAD. Make sure you guys don't just get in this. We're looking for an entry. See how this is monthly. Okay, monthly. This is a whole lot of structure to break. For price to break through this is a lot. Not to say that it can't happen. I'm just saying this zone right here is huge. It's a huge respected level. So let's see if we can get some respect here and see if price can come on back down. But this monthly candle, I want to see it close below. Right? I want to see it close below this box here. Right? I want to see it close below this top line. So which is this previous candle here. I want to see price close below here. All right. That's what we're looking for. We still have this week left. Definitely want to see price just close below here. Let me take one of these. Is this an alert? No. Pow. So we want price to close below that. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for price to close below this orange zone here. So be on the lookout for that. I'm gonna put green on it. This might be one of my favorites this week. So let's lock in with that. GJ, we still waiting on this zone up top. So don't trip on that. GN is tricky. I want GN to sell. I want it to continue to drop. I definitely want to see this continue to fall. It's been respecting this zone for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6 weeks. So definitely want to see some rejection there. It's just a matter of finding an entry, maybe off the 4 hour order daily. But as you can see, our play out has been playing out. Boom. Let's see if we can get that drop there. So yeah, definitely look for GN for the sell. The dollar's bullish. Excuse me, bearish. It's definitely sold off this. It might get a push up this week, or it might continue to drown. But I definitely look for a sell off this zone for a continuation. So we may get a bullish week on the DXY, or it just may continue to fall. So just keep an eye on that. Gold, we just watching gold. We got our eyes on gold. We definitely want to send all gold setups to the Pimpin' and Easy chat. So if you are not in that chat, hit the link below and make sure you get locked in. US 30, man, we look for sales on 30. I'm sorry. Uh these I just think the economy is flooding. They just capping. It's all cap. I do think the market will tank heavy, like heavy. So be on the lookout for a 30 to sell. Not sure when. It may push up to this red line. We're waiting on a bearish confirmation, but as of right now, off of this weekly, nothing has closed above this zone here. So until it does, I'm still looking for sales. All right. That's pretty much all we got, family. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Sunday Morning Markups. And don't forget, hit the link below. Make sure you lock in with the best broker in the game, Sway Markets. Make sure you join our chat, Pimpin' and Easy Chat. And also get locked into this new wave. The app is coming out soon on Sway Chart. Stay tuned for more information on that, family. We love you, and we'll talk to you soon.